Well, hello, everybody. Hey, Bill O'Leary coming to you in this video. And what I want to talk about here has to do with your estate plan, and more specifically, why you should talk to your family about your estate plan before you die. Quick introduction for those that come across this for the first time. Bill O'Leary, I'm an attorney, and I focus on estate planning, elder law, and probate. The firm, Jacksonville, Florida-based legacy planning law group. So let's jump right in. So first, I want to talk about some reasons why you should talk to the family. And some of these hopefully should make common sense to you. Number one, explain your wishes. Can you imagine you keeping everything close to the vest, not telling your family what your wishes are by way of your estate, who's going to get what, when, and how, and they have to discover it after you die? And that might actually then lead to conflict between family members. So minimizing conflict can be achieved by talking to your family ahead of time and telling them what your wishes are and how you want your estate to go. Also, another reason to talk to family members, understanding their particular needs. Maybe they have particular needs, let's say children, and now they're adult children, they're not kids anymore. And maybe their needs have changed and you don't really fully understand what those needs are. Well, you can adapt your estate plan to what your kids' needs are now. Another reason is imagine sharing your estate plan with your adult children and the feeling that they have of sort of a confidence in themselves, confidence in you, and they say to themselves, my gosh, Mom, Dad, they showed us such trust and respect to be willing to share this sensitive information with us. I think it's a real bonding opportunity. Also, those all-important, what's going to happen at the end of life, failing health? What kind of end-of-life medical care do you want and not want? Well, get it in writing and tell your family members, let's say your kids, what you want. You don't want them trying to guess what you would or would not have wanted if you're close to death and can't speak for yourself. It just creates a whole lot of stress and pressure. And then one other reason I want to mention is to why to talk to your family about the estate plan. Maybe you can coordinate your estate plan with, let's say, your adult kids' estate plan. Maybe they're providing, amounts or things to their kids, your grandkids. You can coordinate your plan with theirs. Now I want to talk about some reasons why people don't talk to their family members, let's say to their kids about their estate plan. And really, these reasons in my view are kind of silly, but they are what they are. One, the mindset, it's none of their business. It's none of their business. They'll figure it out after I die. I don't think that fosters an open, great relationship with your kid. How about this? A bit of a superstition. I don't want to talk about death and dying because if I do, I might die. Again, superstition. It might cause conflict. There's another reason why some people are hesitant to talk about their estate plan with their kids. Well, I will tell you, in my view, the potential for conflict is greater if you don't share with them ahead of time and they have to find out after the fact. Another reason why some people sort of bury their head in the sand, they don't want to admit or acknowledge that maybe some of their kids, adult kids, let's say, have some shortcomings, that there may be reasons why they don't want their adult child to receive an outright inheritance. Maybe they've got some issues with dealing with money. They're not good with it. Maybe they've got some dependency and they have to set up a continuing sort of lockbox type structure for the kids. Well, it's hard to come to terms with the fact that that's your child, and that's where they are in terms of their station in life. One other reason I have come across, I don't want my kids to find out what they're going to inherit because it may sort of sap their ambition and willingness to be a productive member of society. So I'm not going to tell them, let them continue to work hard. And obviously that might make some sense in certain situations, but a responsible adult child, I doubt it's going to sap their ambition. Go ahead and tell them. One last thing, some tips. Okay, you've decided you're going to sit your kids down, have that meeting, tell them about your estate plan, that family meeting, which we love to have here at Legacy Planning Law Group. Some tips. One, find a quiet place, okay? Don't have a lot of distractions going on. Be structured in the meeting. It's your meeting. You run it. Have an agenda. Have a start time and an end time. And then have an open mind, an inclusive tone. Be a good listener. Listen to your kids because they may tell some things to you that you weren't aware of before. By the way, don't try to hold this family meeting around the holidays. Do it at some other time. Again, remove as many distractions as possible. And you don't need to get into dollar values, asset values of your assets. Talk big picture, which is why a lot of times it's a big help to have your estate planning attorney or maybe financial advisor present at that meeting so they can explain the how and the why of what you've done. And again, we love doing family meetings here at my firm. So, hey, we would go ahead and encourage you to find out a little bit more. Maybe you want to find out your estate planning, and should you talk to your kids about your estate planning? And if you want to know, hey, can we help you? We'd love to talk to you. So go ahead, take that first step. Reach out to us and schedule a discovery call. It's a free 15, 20-minute phone call. Just click on the link that appears at the bottom of this video and pick a day and time that works for you, and we'll jump on the call. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and put your comments in the comments section. So, Bill O'Leary signing off for now. Go make it a great day, better world, and we'll catch you on the next video.